Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thy own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths. That is Proverbs chapter 3, verses 5 and 6.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my covenant friend Karen Dotson, and this is a new content that I want to create. It's called Sessions with Sarah and Karen, and I just want to bring biblical awareness into this world that we live in and all these situations that are going on, and mainly women topics and situations. So and Karen is very much experienced. Well, we're all experienced in
some kind of way.
That's right. Yeah. And we all have some sort of testimony to share and help each other out with. And
you know what?
Yeah.
Well, this biblical verse that I just spoke to you is so important because as women, as Sarah said, we often have, I'm not saying men don't have issues, but I believe we have more.
Yeah.
Because we're the wife.
It piles on up, like everything just
you're
piles
the lover,
up.
the mother, the doctor, the sister. Yeah, you have to be a sister to your man sometimes. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Then sometimes you, your man's mama, don't play with me. Don't get me started. You know you
bring that in.
Yeah, because sometimes they little boys.
No.
But this is not so much to talk about because we're married.
Yeah.
And our camera woman, you can't see her. She's married too. Hey Kelly, we love you. Okay, but this right here, I think a lot of times I was leaning into my own understanding.
Yes.
So let me ask you a question. When you moved here, did you pray about it? That's a yes or no. Just gonna tell the truth, Karen.
No.
You know you know you weren't praying.
Yeah, I just had to get out and go somewhere new. But I do know that when I came here, my faith transitioned greatly and differently, and I grew differently.
But you depended more on the Lord while you're down here because you're with no family.
No family, and it was a bit of a struggle. But the thing was that I was still trying to go in my own path while God was pulling me back, and He had to make things ugly for me to really, really turn around.
Well, you know, I can understand that ugly. You guys, we'll talk about this as we go along each session. But I was a crack addict for 18 years, and I smoked marijuana for 10. And yes, I'm still married to the same man for 35 years. But I never leaned into the Lord. I always went on my own understanding. And it often got me, well, back in 2002, a lady was going to stab and kill me. And of course, I went into my survival mode, which was, Lord, help me to stay away first. Well, you know, that's one of the 10 commandments, thou shalt not murder.
Yeah.
So the Lord, I didn't hear an answer. But my second prayer, because time was ticking, was, Lord, will you help me? I'm tired of smoking dope. I don't know what to do. I had ran out of options, and some miracle things happened. We'll talk about that later, that I know God did for me.
That's right.
So, wow.
Hi guys, this is Sessions with Sarah and Karen. We're here at this beautiful restaurant eating seafood. We're like rubbing down on some butter and bread. And guess what? We're hiding from our husbands.
No,
we're not.
No, you're hiding from
Yeah, I'm hiding from my husband.
Well, I guess I'm kind of hiding from mine too, but I've been married 35 years.
So yeah,
Louder.
this would be like a good topic when we're like, we have to go home, right? Because the husbands are watching the kids, and then we just want to do something really quick and go out as girls and have a bite, and what do we do?
Just leave them with the kids. Who gives a darn? I mean,
we just gotta go.
Right. That was wonderful, wasn't it?
Delicious.
Yes, I'm full.
Time to go now.
Yeah, and take a
Put
nap.
your stunners on.
So we're just being real with you, but we want you to be able to laugh. And sometimes, Sarah, we like to hear what questions they may want to know about us.
Yes, so you guys can share your thoughts, your ideas, your questions, any suggestions that you guys want us to address. Write them down in the description box. I mean, the comments down below, and then I'll put information in the description box where you can visit our social medias, the pages, and anything else that we want to share. Oh, and Karen, well, it's not a fact. It's a fact that she's a singer. And she has a beautiful voice, and she has a couple music videos that I will link for you guys to check her out. And she is going to perform soon.
In my
she's
new
always
video.
performing. Yes, and she's gonna make a new video, and she has an amazing documentary with what she just shared about her life. And I'll go ahead and link that down below too. It's a short documentary, but you guys have to watch it.
So listen, we'll have your scripture.
Yes.
And tune back into us.
And again, we read Proverbs.
It was Proverbs chapter 3, verses 5 and 6.
Yes.
We'll see you next week. Do your thing, Sarah. Do your thing.
Let me do my closing thing. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Again, write down below any comments and suggestions. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
God had his spit, I leveled up a wall off my tongue and lips. Kids, they try to wrap up the shoot, boy, quit. A thing called being humble, I ain't saying have a see, I done man.